Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Satmorn Makes or Saturday Morning Makes, hosted by Jillian Norwood. Hashtag Two Crafters One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. And this week's theme for hashtag Two Crafters One Design is Maker's Choice. Next week's theme is ice cream. So we want to see all of your ice cream projects. All right, so anyways, let's jump right in. So I'm using just the leaves, a few leaves from this pack, and it's from KS Crafts, and it's those sunflowers. From Spellbinders, I am using Forever Grateful from the Glimmer system, and I'm also using this small die cut there. And then I am using Be Bold Blooms, almost everything from there. And then I also am using just this flower here. Sorry about shaking that. From the Just a Tweet die of the month. And then I don't know what the name of this is. I actually won this, I think, from Decorate Your Life. So anyways, I'm using this whole background except for that centerpiece there. And here goes the card I created. It was inspired by Pinterest with a little bit of twist. So this is what I created. I needed a card for my aunt. We're taking a trip down to Missouri this weekend, so I needed a quick card for my aunt, and this is what I came up with. Not too satisfied with it, but I figure it will work. And so I inked up the flowers with a distress ink, and I want to say I used the coral color for that, and I also added some color to the leaves there. I forgot the color, sorry about that. And then I also inked up the yellow ones as well as the red. And so anyways, that's how it turned out. I really like how that background die really looks on here. I usually never make 5x7 cards, but I figured I needed a 5x7 card because we're all supposed to sign the card. So, and then that's how I did the inside of the card, so we have enough room to sign. I did complete both sides there, and that's all I have for you. So don't forget, next week's theme is ice cream. So anyways, we want to see all of your ice cream creations for next week. Use our hashtag Two Crafters One Design, as well as enter your projects into Saturday Morning Makes, hashtag Satmorn Makes. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.